Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a really fun video for you. I'm going to show you how I pack orders and just the whole process of filling the envelope and decorating everything, and it's just something that makes me very happy. And I got 2 orders in yesterday, so this morning I woke up early to make them, film this video and get it up in time. So yeah, I've been really productive and I'm loving the way they turned out. So in this video you can see how I handle orders. You can see how I package it and also get a look inside the things people buy and the products I have. So yeah, that's really fun. So what I did at first was get the right envelopes for the size that I needed, and then wrote down their first names and did this cool letter thing that I just love to do. I wanted to make the envelopes really pretty, and I think they turned out really cute. So the things I do add on an envelope that you can see in this video are my address stickers. Obviously I'm not going to show them, and the address of the person who ordered as well as their last name, because I don't know if they would like that. So just have their first names and you can see what they ordered. They ordered kind of similar things, so you can also like see what is popular right now. So yeah, after that I just got them out and I grabbed the envelopes and I started decorating. I used 2 washi tapes and a girl sticker. I decorated with my butterfly stamps, which I love. I also sell these on Vellum, so I like to cooperate things that I sell into the decoration of it. I just feel like it has my own signature on it because of that. And yeah, of course I add the stamps, and I just love how in this video it always seems like it's taking up 5 minutes. But you know, if you are a pen paler or have an own shop, it takes longer than 5 minutes to make all of these. But yeah, I love the way they turned out. I love this girl sticker. It looks so cute. I chose the colors of the card I was going to use. I write everyone a personal card with thank you and have fun, sometimes something extra, because I charge money for shipping and then €1 for each order for packaging. And that's something I do really need to ask, because sometimes I don't know, I use a lot of things to make it look cute, so I definitely have to ask that amount of money. But in this case, with the blue mail, I had almost 0 grams left. So that's kind of what I wanted to say in this video. Like, sometimes it's a dilemma, because I am not going to ask someone to pay me more shipping because I want to wrap it. You know what I mean? You always get cute packaging, but sometimes you get more packaging, and sometimes less. And that's the only reason for that is how many grams you have left, what you paid for. You get what you paid for. So if there's nothing left, I can't do much. And it's always really a struggle to give like everyone with the same price range gets the same amount of goodies, and then people who are buying for the second time get a little bit more, and then people who buy for the third time get even more. So that's kind of how I do things, but I don't want to give you less goodies because there's less grams left. So I just choose freebies over packaging, and for that reason I gave this girl a €1 discount on her next order, so she won't have to pay packing costs for her next order, so that next time I can make it hopefully all really cute. Yeah, it's something I don't need to do that, but I just feel like I want to give everyone the best of the best, and I want to keep my store inexpensive, but also yeah, everything you order is definitely made with love, and I wanted to package everything with love as well. And I want you to feel like you got a present, and that's just something that matters to me. So I just wanted to add that because making this video, you can compare the two and see the difference. And I don't pull favors. The pink envelope, Hannah, she bought for the second time, so I gave her a free envelope as kind of a thank you for becoming a regular. You know, it's something that means a lot to me and support. So I give her an extra, and also I had grams left with her, so I put it in a little bag. So yeah, that's the reason. Not pulling favors for anyone at all. I try to give everyone the same amount of things unless they you know, order more, like spend more money on an order, or because they order more than once. And yeah, I just want to show my gratitude towards everyone. So right now I'm just going to show you what this girl bought. This is two of my Cataferma packs. I only have three, so they're all sold out right now. They can be coming back because they were from a box, so I only had one of each. And then she also bought the unwritten vintage envelopes, which are also sold out, but I still have some written ones left. You had 10 in a package, so 10 written vintage envelopes for 150. So yeah, right now I'm making the goodie bag. So I have different sizes of freebies. So when you order something under 10, you get a small one, and I give you like the freebies are basically all my products, but I give you the products that you didn't purchase so that you can use them, and if you really like them, you can order them next time. So even the freebies are handmade and for my shop. So I just love that everything has my signature and is unique to my shop. So I gave this girl some wax seals, three of them, because she didn't purchase those. So I thought she might like those. And if she really loves them, she can purchase one of my sets if she would like that, of course. And the other girl, I just gave the others. So I give my book stamps, my butterfly stamps, my travel stamps, and some butterfly cutouts. I think these little freebie bags are really cute. So in the same price range, you also get different sizes of freebies. So this is the smallest one. In this order, I both reuse these little bags. I care a lot about the environment, but I also really care that everything that you get from me is clean and somewhat new. I don't want you to give something that looks used or dirty, unless it's vintage, of course, but that's important to me. So in this case, these bags look still really good, so I use these. So that's kind of how I do things. I want things to look good, but if something is perfectly fine, I'm really happy to be able to recycle it. So like I said, I give everyone a personal card, and I'm not showing you what I wrote on it, but you can guess. And this is the card that came with it. I think it looks so cute. So I'm here showing you everything she got. So with the written envelopes, you also get a free postcard in the same style. There are only one left right now, I think. So yeah, that's something you get for free with that particular thing you bought. So I'm just putting it in the envelope and it's done now. Everyone gets my business card as well, which I love. I can design it myself with the beautiful drawing that Celestial did of me. She's called Shibi Starchan on Instagram and YouTube. You should definitely check her out. Her drawings are so beautiful and she's very talented. So we're working on the other order right now. This girl ordered 2 oopsie bags, which means 16 wax seals that are not perfect enough to be on a set, and those are 150 for 8. So that's great. I put it in that little bag that I made myself, which I think looks really cute. And then she also ordered the written envelopes and also got a card with that, and I gave her an extra envelope that I also sell in my shop, and I gave her that because she is a second time orderer. So yeah, So I'm putting all of this in this little gift bag, and I'm closing it with some washi tape, and I add a really cute leaf paper clip, but you can't see that in the video. But that would just help it close better, and also just another goodie. So I wrote the card, I put the card and the wax seals in the envelope, and that was the order packing. I hope you guys liked this video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more of me, you can follow me on Instagram. It's MayJournalsNobar, and I'd love to see you next time. If you're curious, in my shop, it's May Journal Shop on Instagram. It would mean a lot to me if you follow it and like my post. You can just scroll all the way back and see all the products. Everything is available unless it says sold. And if you have any suggestions on what you would like to see in my store, you're always welcome to leave them in the comments or in my DMs. Thank you again, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!